Hello, thank you very much, friends. Today we want to quickly introduce the Hik-Connect program, which is used to transfer images from Hikvision devices. Let's measure and have an image transfer on our mobile and the Connect Officer software. First, we will enter the Play Store or App Store and download the Connect Officer software. So when the connector is downloaded, we run the connector, skip the first page, skip the second page, and select our start. Here, we accept, we select yes, because there are many that are related to your country. You can choose any country you are in. We will now choose Afghanistan, for example. And we'll hit this Gauss metric so we can log in, and we can use skip, and we'll skip and go ahead and log into the software. Here you have to select local device. Here are some models we can use to transfer images via a serial number, which is basically P2P, which is restricted in some countries because it is not currently available. Now we want to use this via a static IP. First, select the IP address. Then you can choose a name and anything else. For example, here is a laboratory. You select it, and in the static IP section, you enter the IP that your internet provider has given you. You enter the port that has been forwarded on the router or modem you have. Then you enter your username, and here you input the password for the NVR or DVR device that you want to stream from. Once these parameters are filled out, all you need to do is select the option here and wait for the images to load. Here, just select the play button and the images will start displaying. You can choose here if the device has 16 channels or 32 channels, and you can have the complete count. Thank you for being with us.